Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here. We are on a side quest. We're bored on a Sunday afternoon in Austin. There's a hurricane getting ready to hit the coast, the Gulf Coast, which probably won't be too bad. It's only a 1 right now. But we're going to see if we can find Elon Musk at the GIGA Factory. And we're going to go the back way. So strap in and enjoy the ride as we go to the GIGA Factory. And we're filming today on a 4K camcorder, a Lumix Panasonic, and I'll put the name in the details below. But also we do have our trusty Sony super cheap HD camcorder that we'll probably throw in some clips to give you a little comparison of. I'm all about the camcorders these days. I'm going back in time, you know. Gen X camcorders were the way to go, and I'm back to it. Even though the companies have pretty much forgotten them, but it's all good. Okay, let's get to the journey, and we'll see you on the way. Enjoy. Okay, folks, on our side quest to visit Elon Musk at the GIGA Factory, we switched to the 1080p Sony. What is this thing called again? I forgot. It's in the description below. No, I'll put it as a comment. And I just want to give a little comparison between the 4K Lumix and the 1080p 60 frames per second Sony for about, I think it's like $200-ish, give or take. All right, back to the 4K and back to the journey on our side quest to visit Elon Musk at the GIGA Factory. Elon, are you there? Okay, folks, we're getting ready to turn left onto 290 East. Then once we get to Manor, we're going to hang a right on 973, and that's going to be the back way toward the Cyber Factory, which is south. We're heading south basically toward the airport, the Austin airport. All right. And just for those who aren't familiar with Austin or might be contemplating moving to Austin, don't. It's getting too crowded, too many fire ants, and it's hot. Anyways, yeah. Nah, Austin's pretty cool, not so bad. But yeah, a lot of people actually starting to move out east to Elgin and Bastrop and the east side of the city itself. West, I think, is preferable in the hill country, but the east is not too bad at all. But yeah, let's keep going, and we will head toward 973, which is basically hanging a right once we get to Manor, Texas, the east side of Austin. It's about 94 degrees outside. It's very humid because the wind is coming from down south from the Gulf. And we definitely are probably going to grab some kind of Slurpee or icy on the way once we see a decent place to stop. But why not? Yeah, why the hell not? Oops, we missed our turn, so I'm doing a little backtracking here in a little town of Manor. Geographically, Manor is not pretty big in real estate size. It's definitely small town vibes, and I always thought they'd, and it's probably too late. I probably should have grabbed some when I first moved to Austin in around 2013. If I could grab one of these old houses, and for a reasonable price, I probably would have, but I think everyone knows the value, and, you know, it's just a matter of time before the old Veterans Memorial? What? I didn't know that was there. See, you gotta get out of the house. I've been playing Monster Hunter all freaking weekend, 4-day weekend. So it's time to get out and get some sun, yeah? Before the rain comes. All right, let's get back into it. our side quest to go see Elon at GIGA Factory, GIGA Tesla. We're getting ready to turn left on Tesla Road, which is coming up in about a couple miles here. Actually, probably less than a mile. Let's see what we got. And I'm not even sure how much of the road you're allowed to drive on. I mean, is it private property? All I know is I'm turning left on Tesla Road, and we'll just play it by ear once we get there. But again, side quest, getting out of the house, seeing what we can do. Looks like they're expanding the road here, so my guess is due to the number of, the size and the complexity and the number of the probably employees, that it's necessary, I'm guessing. Okay, we're turning left on Tesla Road right now. Lots of still under construction. Let's see what we got here. And we're gonna go under 130, which is a paid highway between pretty much north of Austin all the way down to like San Antonio down there. And you can go like 85 miles an hour, so it's pretty dope. Okay, and you're starting to see a little bit of the old Tesla stuff over there on the right, and all of their building materials and stuff over here. Yeah, let's keep it rolling. We're gonna keep it rolling. Except for stoplights, of course. I guess the big question is, where can I actually drive on this wonderful place without having to go through security? So we're about to find out. Green light, bro. Let's go. Woohoo. You can definitely tell I was bored if this is the excitement of my day here. To go look at the construction site of a big factory. Why the hell not? All right, this bugger's big. Where can we turn? Where can we turn? Can we turn here? Oh, employees only. Employees only. I guess we can't. All right, let's keep going. What can we do? What can we do? I definitely can't go there, but there's all kinds of stuff. Tesla cathode factories over there. Can we go right? Yeah, why not? Let's see what we can do over here. We are on Robotic Avenue. Hanging a right. I'm not even sure we can actually drive anywhere. Okay. Oh, that's a big freaking factory. Just kind of cruising. What can we do? Parking lot storage over to the right. To the left. Yeah, I guess we'll just keep going straight. There's that new big parking garage there, parking lot. This bugger is big. Super long. I think we're just keep going because I don't think I can really go up there. Or maybe I can. Okay, well, I just found out that I can't go any farther, so we're turning around, and maybe we'll just see what we can do. It's really Electron Street. I don't think I can go there, so we'll just keep going. She said basically got to go back to Tesla Road, but yeah, lots of stuff over here. There's the cathode place over there. Oh, it's a 24. I better slow down a little bit so I don't get a ticket. But yeah, this place is freaking big. No worries, I'm cool with that. Security, all that jazz. Elon, where you at? I'm sure there's guest passes. You can do tours and stuff, but it's all good. Let me see what I can do. Try to find something interesting. But there is a road I think I know I can mess with. Let me keep this thing rolling here. And I will probably put music or dub over some voiceover because I'm not sure how good the audio is right now, but we'll just keep this thing rolling the way it is. Damn, the bucket's big. Woo. Good job, Elon, bringing the jobs to Texas. Nice, nice. All right, let's get over here. I'm gonna go down the back road all the way to the end. I think there's a road down there that kind of is they're redoing, so we'll see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, where are we going? Where are we going? Ah, fuck it. We're going on to 130, but I'm trying to get to River Road. Ah, shit. Should have went a little bit farther. We'll see what I can do. I might be able to exit up here. Oh, there goes $1 or $2 down the drain. But it's all good. We'll do some backtracking if we have to. While we're at it, enjoy the old Giga Factory over there. Actually, let's do it over here. So 71. Yeah, I'm going to do a little backtracking. And if you look over there, that's where they're building the new AI section that has all the NVIDIA GPUs and the cooling systems and all that jazz. So that's pretty cool. They just said, screw it, we'll put some more. Yeah, definitely gonna take 71 here, and we'll backtrack in. No problem, no problem. We got this. We got this. Elon, where you at, bro? Where you at? There it is, River Road, right over there. We gotta get over there. All right, all right. Let's rock and roll, rock and roll. Signaling. Again, didn't really want to spend that $2 just to jump on, or $1 something, just to jump on 130 for a quick second, but we'll make it work. Let's just keep it rolling and see what we got going here. Get back on 973. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Get back on 973, the back road that we originally turned off of. All right. Woo, slow down, Eric. Slow down. These SUVs aren't designed to make high-speed turns. That's for sure. So the security lady at the young lady, she was super young. At Tesla was super nice. I was like, where can I drive? She goes, basically nowhere. I said, cool, no worries. She said, just do a U-turn and head back. And I was like, I got you. And the rest is history. Now we'll look for 173, and then we're gonna hang a right or left on River Road, and maybe we'll hang a left and come in a little bit farther. So we're heading straight into the Giga Factory, and I'll report back in a second. Okay, yeah. What we'll do is we're getting ready to cross the Colorado River here. Let's see if we can get a little footage of it. Right there, not much of a river. And then we're gonna hang a right on River Road, which is right here. This is almost the beginning of it, pretty much the beginning of it. And we'll head straight into employees only. Oh. Let me turn around. I'll go in here and then turn around. Yeah, let's not piss anybody off. I'll do a U-turn here. What does that sign say? Let's find out. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little U-turn action. Cool. All right, so we're gonna exit Tesla right here, and we will call our side quest completed. Somebody cue in the old Zelda quest completed sound right here. All right, let's keep going, but I'm gonna stop the video right now, and we'll pick it up when something interesting happens. Alrighty, we're continuing our quest, and we're on 973. This time we're heading north again, heading back toward Manor and then toward Austin. that was kind of an interesting little thing there. I'll have to do a little bit more research to figure out where and how I can actually what I can actually do, where I can go, where I can film, things like that. I mean, there's definitely some spots, because the channel, the guy that does the drone footage of the construction, he goes there every day and he flies from a certain spot. So I'll definitely do a little research. If it was a little bit more sunny, I think I would be a little bit more active in looking for some more shots, but it's a little overcast, so ideally I want to come out when it's a little bit better weather. Then the footage will look a lot better. But other than that, let's just keep on cruising home, and we'll see you in a bit.